know that without Jupiter, we cannot remain safe on Earth? But why? Because, as you all know, asteroids keep coming towards our Earth every year. Many of these asteroids are very small, and some are very big. But even before the asteroids collide with the Earth, Jupiter, with its largest magnetic force, pulls the asteroids towards itself and absorbs them inside itself, thereby saving the Earth from a major disaster. That is why Jupiter is also called the Earth's planetary bodyguard. This is a normal brain, and this is Albert Einstein's brain. But what makes them different? Actually, after Einstein died, his brain was stolen by a doctor named Thomas Harvey. He cut it into 170 pieces, sliced those into 1,000 more, and sent them to scientists worldwide. And guess what? They found 4 insane differences. First, Einstein's parietal lobes were 15% bigger. That's the part linked to math and problem solving. Second, his brain was actually lighter than a normal brain, weighing just 1,200 grams. Third, his neurons were packed super tight, helping him visualize complex ideas. And finally, a part of his brain, the Sylvian fissure, was missing. This may have helped him think in ways no one else could. Do you think brain structure makes a genius, or is it something else? Let me know in the comments. I'm sure you've heard that the Big Bang was 13.8 billion years ago. And then you've asked yourself, wait, what was before the Big Bang? And that's the trick. The Big Bang wasn't just when all the stuff formed. It was also when all the space for the stuff, and the time for the stuff to exist in, was formed too. It is honestly really hard to grasp, but that's the key. There was just nothing before the Big Bang. No space, no time, no stuff. Dreaming about what was before is natural. I mean, it helps our little human brains to cope. Some people answer this paradox with religion, and others with philosophy. On the icy giant planets Neptune and Uranus, it literally rains diamonds, bigger than grizzly bears. Deep within their atmospheres, there is so much pressure and heat that it turns all the carbon in the air into solid diamonds. These diamonds then fall to the ground like rain, creating a dazzling, otherworldly storm. Scientists have replicated this in laboratories to confirm that under such intense conditions, diamond rain is not just science fiction, it's science fact. This sparkling precipitation might even influence the unique magnetic fields of these icy giants. Adding another layer of mystery to our solar system, the universe never ceases to amaze. What other wonders will we discover? Okay, so this space act genuinely makes me feel sick to my stomach because of how terrifying it is. Imagine this for me. We strap you into a space suit and teleport you into space. What would you see? Well, it depends where you are, right? If we drop you out near Jupiter, you might see something like this. Or if we put you next to a black hole, you might see something like this, if you survived long enough. But if we put you in deep space, in the darkness between galaxies, there is a good chance you would see nothing at all. No light in any direction. Incomprehensibly dark. Just you all alone floating in the dark coldness of space. Can you imagine the feeling? Creepy stuff.